Okay, so do you also want to fine tune a model locally on your system? If yes, then you can check out this. So first, you have to open your browser and search for Unslot Studio. Unslot Studio. So this is the website which I am talking about. So what you have to do is simply click on this quick start button, and here you have different options to set up. So if you have Mac OS or Windows subsystem for Linux, then you can use this command. And if you have Windows PowerShell, then you can try out this one. And to launch, you have to use this command. Then you can also set up with Docker as well. But as far as I know, currently the Docker support is not available for Mac OS. Simply as I have Mac OS, so simply I copy the first command and open my terminal for this. And simply I paste this command and hit enter. So it is now asking to start Unsloth now. So I simply press Y and hit enter. So as you can see, starting this on this IP पे ये भी start कर देगा अभी, है ना? Simply I copy this and then I'll hit enter. So we have to wait for a few minutes and it will start. So, as you can see, I have my password here. You can set any password. So as you know, it is in local, so you can set any password here. So I have already set up the password as I am using this since last week. So I mentioned that particular password here. If you forget, then you can reset your password from terminal. And I simply click on the save button and you can chat with the model here. And along with that, if you want to train a model, you can click on this train button and that you want to use. So if you want to use an OCR model for handwritten things, then you can use this TROCR one, and you can configure the method you want to use for this. So if you want to use the full fine tune, then you can use this. Then mostly the method which is being used is this LoRa 16-bit one. So you can add a Hugging Face token here, and then you can select a database. If you want to use a local database, you can use it from here, and you can use it from Hugging Face as well. And then you can configure the params here, and then you can start training. Or if you have any training configuration, then you can upload it from here, and you can chat as well here. So just right click on hi. So from here you can configure the system prompts and other things, and currently it is using a auto model. So let's check first. So it has loaded a Gemma 4 E2B model. You can check, and this is the smallest model from Gemma 4. And as you can see, I got a response here. And if you want to export it, then you can export it as well. So the model you have fine tuned or whatever it is, and you can check out recipes here like PDF document QA, and you can simply begin from here, and you can also check out that easy, intermediate or advanced. So you can also click on this new recipe and start empty or start from learning recipe. You can check this out. So that's it for this video. But before ending this video, I will tell you that you can do web search, do code from here, and you can think here or upload the files as we are doing in ChatGPT or any other LLM. These are the models, and you can also download the models as well. So as you can see, there are these models here, and if you click here, you can configure dark mode, and you can get the API as well if you want an API, and you can check other uh, configuration from here as well, and you can create a API key as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful to you, then make sure to follow, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.